Hello mga ets, we are live via satellite. My name is Christian Siniza, also known as Miss Actua or Baby Dragon. So I have been in the community for like the longest time since I was a kid, no? Since nataon ako. And my occupation is I'm still in the BPO industry. At the same time, I'm also a content creator, if na ay time. Para baka ingon tag-Actua, gid ay. Same with other LGBT members na niagi og struggle. Like for example, maglista sila og come out silahang expression or lang gender identity. So pagbata nako, I felt like the gender expression na akong gina-express was very okay. Because wala ko na feel nga discrimination within the family. But then my mom is kanang medyo kontra gud siya because she's keep on telling me na sayang kaayo if magbinayot ko kay kanang dakuon mo ko pagbata. So ayan ako magkargador. So it was like a joke since bata pa ko. And then ako na siya giladala nga murag joke-joke sa kong mama. Bakulo, uy, kargador gid ako beauty, no? Pero wag gid siya na himong hindrance for me to continue. However, around mga pagskwela na, like around high school, hantod college, of course, we have to follow some curriculum or mga rules sa eskwelahan, like bawal ang long hair, bawal ang kanang paebay-ebay. So I was like expressing murag maya-maya ang show. Manang I still have old photos of me na nakoy bungot, na ako mga saninaan ato kay panglalaki jud. Until such nag-work na kog NGO. Dito na siya nako na reintroduce nako ang SOGI, ang saka importante ang you know your SOGI, the basic information about SOGI 101. At the same time, to determine or to identify unsa gid imong gender identity and expression. So along the way, like na meta nimo ang mga tao around you, especially for the LGBT community, ngani gid ka dynamics ang mga LGBT pips, no, like very colorful, very funny, very flamboyant, very expressive. But there are also times na there are some challenges within the circle. So me I consider myself as trans, but not like kanang other with the same other trans pod. Makaana ko nga na nakita na gid ako nga unsa gid dapat ako ang gender identity and expression, and this is me. One thing I'm proud of, being me. Nakaya na ko tanan nga gato ko din ako makaya because pagbata mo gud nako, I have so many challenges na giano aside sa kanang dealing with discrimination, because aside sa the challenge na naka sa LGBT community is also the challenge of physical nako. Like I was really big before and people are keep on discriminating sa ko ang kadakon ingana until karon na overcome na ako siya, and then I'm keep on loving myself every day. So to my younger self, makaana di kog Actua. Ako papa dili ko siya perfect. Actually di ko siya perfect. Dahil siya kandahan ki siya kanang flaws, dahan ki siya mga nabuhat ng mga butang nga mga irresponsible, especially like sugal ingana. But then without him ang good, he's the first person ni accept sa ko ang gender identity and expression, and I am so thankful for that. Kay still very vivid sa kong mind pagbata na ko na every time mag-Christmas party sila sa opisina kay nag-give me special number in which dito na ko na feel nga okay kanang proud kay akong papa sa kuha. Kay even ako mga sayo sa una pang babae, may mga tukar sa pang babae like Macarena, My Heart Goes Shalalala, mga so ayun ko pa shalala gidi ay. One hope for the future is still the acceptance and respect to each other. Without those, kay wala di kita mo lambo. Pride is love gihapon. Pride, acceptance. I love myself because the first thing mong good is you will not be kanibitang more in love sa yourself if di mo siya ma-accept. So you should love yourself. The future I dream of is no discrimination at all, especially to the younger LGBT kids. No, I know na challenge kasi yung part karon ang pag-express because aside na we are evolving, like we already in the digital world, but still we have those people na questioning you. There are people nga loving you. And there are also people nga who likes and don't like you. So, ano na lang, if you find na you're not comfortable, then please love yourself lang sa Jud. Pride means today is that at least slowly people are accepting the LGBT community. But again, sa before pa, nahangkitagyagian nga mga kalisod, mga kahago aning community, no? But thankful gapon ta kay na ating mga support system na ni-exist. And today, mao na importante for Pride. Slowly but surely, people will accept us and love us in the future. Hi, my name is Christian, or also known as Miss Actua. I'm inviting everyone to join and have a party with us this coming June 14 at the Cebu Picnic Pride para makaingon gid ta og Actua! Ani na ay padugay-dugay.